Whose responsibility? Exploring the relative pronoun, whose. Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into a fascinating part of English grammar. We're focusing on the relative pronoun, whose. It may sound daunting, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step and give you plenty of examples to work with. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently using whose in your English sentences. Let's get started. Whose is a relative pronoun that we use to show possession. It helps us to combine two sentences into a more complex one without repeating certain words. It's the possessive form of who and which. Let's consider an example. We have two separate sentences. The man is a chef. The man's daughter is my friend. We can combine these sentences using whose. The man, whose daughter is my friend, is a chef. Here, whose is connecting the two original sentences and showing that the daughter belongs to the man. You can use whose in various types of sentences, statements, questions, and even exclamations. Let's consider an example for each case. 1. Statement. The woman, whose car is blue, works in my office. 2. Question. Whose book is this on the table? 3. Exclamation. What a fantastic cat, whose fur is as soft as silk. Let's put your understanding to the test. Try to combine the following sentences using whose. 1. The girl is wearing a red dress. Plus, the girl's brother is in my class. 2. This is Mr. Smith. Plus, Mr. Smith's son plays football. 3. I met a dog. Plus, the dog's tail is very long. Take a moment to think about your answers. When you're ready, let's reveal the correct responses. 1. The girl, whose brother is in my class, is wearing a red dress. 2. This is Mr. Smith, whose son plays football. 3. I met a dog whose tail is very long. How did you do? Practice makes perfect, so keep working on exercises like these. There you have it. We hope you now feel more comfortable using whose in your English sentences. Remember, whose is a powerful tool to make your sentences more concise and fluid by showing possession. Keep practicing and you'll master this in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep learning.